1-2 come.
A lot of them. Watching it land.
Do you want to throw 100 miles an hour? Yes. The answer is yes. Everybody wants to throw 100 miles an hour if you play baseball nowadays. I'm going to clue you guys in on something that a lot of those pitchers do to achieve that velocity. Pitchers like Duran Duran, Jacob deGrom, Jordan Hicks, and Walker Buehler all have different physical gifts that allow them to throw 100 miles an hour. However, in this video, you're going to see one common feature in all of their mechanics that are pretty much near identical. To me, Jacob deGrom is one of the easiest examples to use because he makes this movement pattern so crystal clear. So if we take a look at his glove side, you're gonna notice that his glove literally doesn't move. As he's about to release the baseball, we're gonna draw a circle around his glove. You're gonna notice that as he goes into release, this glove almost doesn't move and it appears to just freeze in time. Duran, another 100-mile-an-hour thrower, does a very similar thing. He isn't as extended as deGrom is, but if we take a look at what his glove is doing, it's a little closer to his chest. But as you can see, that glove has this moment where it's just kind of freezing in space and time. Here's a pitcher that isn't as big as the other two guys mentioned before. Jordan Hicks is a bit of a stockier guy, but in baseball, it doesn't really matter how big you are. It's about how efficient you are. You're going to notice that despite his size, he's going to do the same exact thing that the other guys are doing. If we paint a circle around his glove, you're going to notice that into his release, it doesn't move. I previously mentioned that all of these pitchers have very different mechanics, but at the same time do have very similar movement patterns. When we take a look at Walker Buehler here, we're going to notice that his glove side gets extended significantly faster than the other pitchers. However, you're going to notice a very similar key that his glove freezes into release. Something that I do like to mention a lot to the guys that I train is that this left hip of his is almost connected to his left elbow. You never want that left elbow to go behind his left hip. Stay tuned for tips, tricks, and everything baseball.